Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Python and pip are installed and on path. Create and activate a virtual environment now so dependencies stay local. Next, generate a requirements. TXT that pins exact versions. This guarantees reproducible installs offline. Once done, use pip to install packages while online so you can cache wheels. Make sure to run pip wheel on each dependency. That produces local wheel files you will copy to the offline machine. Now you build a portable package bundle. Run pip wheel referencing requirements. TXT and write output to a wheels directory. This collects all wheel files. Include platform-specific wheels for the target operating system and architecture, because compiled extensions won't build offline. Once the wheels are ready, package your Python files, a simple virtualenv bootstrap script, and the wheels directory into a zip or USB. Make sure to test installation locally from wheels before moving to the offline host. On the offline machine, create and activate a virtual environment, then install using pip with no index and find links pointing to your wheels folder. After successful installs, run your program using the venv Python. If it's a service, set up a simple startup script. If something fails, first confirm wheel platform compatibility and that the Python minor version matches. Also verify any required system libraries or headers are present. Once fixed, reinstall the affected wheels and rerun the program.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.